Hello friends, welcome back to our new video. Before we starting our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Let's get started. How to monetize your Facebook video with Facebook ad break. Do you create video content for Facebook? In this article, you will learn how to monetize your Facebook video content with Facebook ad break. What are Facebook ad breaks? Facebook ad break allow you to monetize your Facebook video content. The feature has been around for a little over a year, and users were slow to adopt it at first. But now quite a few Facebook pages are earning 4 to 5 figures in revenue from ad break. To check the page eligibility ad break, to join the ad break page. If your page is eligible, you will see a message to effect right away. Your page must comply with the Facebook partner monetization policies that are centered around community standards, copyright enforcement, authenticity, and engagement. Your page must have reached one of these milestones in the past 60 days: 15,000 engagement, 1,80,000 minutes viewed across all your videos, or 30,000 1-minute view on 3-minute plus video. You must be at least 18 years old. You must reside in one of the eligible country and post content in one of the eligible language. You must publish content on your business page or profile. Facebook profile public documentation specifies that a page must have at least 10,000 fans. Facebook appears to be testing a 1,000 fan minimum in some regions. Submit your page for Facebook ad break approval. You can set up easily manage Facebook ad break via Facebook Creator Studio. Start by choosing the eligible page you want to monetize, then click the monetization tab in the left navigation and carefully review and accept monetization terms and conditioning. Facebook let you choose the placement of ad break at the page or video level. These are your options. Allow Facebook to automatically insert ads where their natural 1 to 2 second pause in your content. Manually your content where Facebook insert ad break. The best practice for this option is to check the box that allows Facebook to adjust the ad break point. If you opted for the page level monetization option, every video you published on Facebook will automatically go through the content review process. Facebook reviews best performing or higher velocity videos first. That determines performance by the number of views in the first minute after the video is published. The review process can take up to 48 hours, but typically it must faster than the status of each video is displayed on the ad break tab. After the video has been reviewed, the status will change to one of the icons video below. If your video is flagged as limited or non-monetization, you will have an opportunity for one-time appeal. Establish a theme and align content with your niche. Start with a clear definition of your niche and audience persona, and think about ways to affect people, evoke feelings, and solve problems with your video content. Always include a call to action, but be careful of engagement bait or like your post. For the video thumbnail, minimize the use of text if you plan a boost your content. Create originally Facebook videos. Protecting creators' copyright is one of the Facebook top priorities. The platform doesn't allow monetization of shared videos or videos repurposed from other sources. Create original content that aligns with your audience and their core issues. Note that if you purchase a video or use video covered by Creative Commons license, you run a risk of violating Facebook's content monetization policies. YouTube, as long as you share credit and monetization payout, Facebook explicitly calls out many popular videos formats as ineligible for monetization. To review your video status in Facebook Creator Studio, click the monetization tab, and then inside you may notice the Facebook views are somewhat higher than YouTube views. The Insights tab will highlight your top earning videos, percentage of the 3 minutes plus video, and more. You can also see a breakdown of your 1 minute video view and estimated earning at the individual video level. Your payout depends on two factors: ad CPM, cost per thousand, ad impression. While ad impression are driven by 1 minute views, they are not in the same 1 minute view coming from ineligible country won't get monetized, even if your video is approved for monetization. The geographic location of 1 minute view also determines the CPM. Use the formula to determine how much you will get paid. Ad impression into ad CPM per thousand. For instance, if you have 3500 impression and CPM is 2.50, your earning is 8.70. 35 into $2.5 divided by 1000 is equal to 8.75. You can understand your earning is 8.75. Facebook will pay you monthly on or around the 18th of month. You need to make at least $100 in ad breaks revenue to receive the payout. How to reach 30k minutes views or the post engagement requirement. Your next step is to reach the video views or engagement requirement. As you got more fans for the Facebook page, the video view including 1 minute video you will grow. You still need to meet 1 minute view requirements for ad breaks, which is a great option if you have a short engaging video around 3 to 4 minutes in length. Boost your best performing video. Boosting a video is a fairly straightforward option. Facebook will even promote you to boost your best performing post. This option is also perfect if you are trying to meet the post engagement requirement. Clicking on the boost post button to the right of the people reached and engagements, then select your target audience, similar audience to the page, likes and campaigns. Run a video campaign. A video views campaign is ideal for meeting your video view requirement. When running this type of the campaign, you can choose through play optimization. So hope you will like this video. Please subscribe our channel for the latest and more videos. Also press the bell icon. Stay blessed. Goodbye.